Hi friend, in this video I will describe about one of the trading strategy, the Nifty trading strategy. Using this Excel sheet, you can identify monthly 4 to 6 times a very good opportunity with low risk setup kind of thing, where you do not need to analyze anything, just you have to enter the high and low of the candle here. Once you will enter the high and low of first and the second 9:15 to 9:30 candlestick open high low, and 9:30 to 9:45 candlestick high and low, then you will find the trade, exact trade, what to do here, your entry, stop loss, everything. The good point is that this setup has a trailing stop loss methodology. The Whenever a price move in your favor, you can trail the stop loss to minimize your risks. It will come here automatically. Here I will demonstrate you these things today. There is a good trade today, but before that I want to show you the track record. For that I have track record here from 23rd October. Since it's a good amount of track record, you can now, if we have find that the total, one of the point here I want to mention that um, the risk reward ratio is very good, as average risk in this strategy is come around Nifty 23 point now, and compared to the gain of 80 point. So the risk reward ratio balance here is very good, and as you can see, that in a 3 month period, there was almost 21,825 rupees of profit. So now let's quickly, I will describe what to do, how to do. The detailed track sheet you can get with this Excel sheet itself. I have put down this tracker in this. Now I will demonstrate you what to do. So as here I mentioned, see, find Nifty trade at 9:45 using 2 minutes. Now at 9:45 you have to just use your 2 minutes of time to enter this data to find your trade. Let's check what was the trade today. Now the first candle high, low and open. The open of the first candle today, this is a Nifty future chart of 15 minutes, was 9214.95. Okay, it is the open. Now the high was 9230.05 high, and the low was 9140, and the high and low of the second candle, the high was 91. Remember, for the second candle we have to enter the high and low only, and for the first candle we have to enter open, high, low. That's it. The high of the second candle was 9158 and the low was 9125. I enter all this data required. Now I will click over here, and as you can see, the trade is appearing here. The trade was long. The entry was 9160 level. So somehow here it is the 9162. Somehow you can add 2 points of buffer, so it can be this level, 9160 level. So in this candle your trade was entered, and as you can see here, it is mentioned exit the trade at 3 p.m. Sorry. So idea is that you have to hold the trade and then you have to exit the trade at 3. Now what is this trailing trigger level? The trailing trigger level is 9230. What it means? It means that your initial stop loss is 9123, which is below this level. 9124 is this level. Now once market hit at 9230 level, so 9230 level is somehow here. Once this level achieved, you have to put your stop loss at the cost. This is what I call trailing stop loss level. This trailing trigger level, once market achieve this level, what you have to do is that you have to trail your stop loss at cost. So your trade become completely risk free at that point, and then you have to exit at the close. So suppose today's close is at 9272 at 3 p.m. The price was 9272 and you entered the trade at 9160. That is 110 point, and you can understand in Nifty it is around 7500 kind of level. Sorry, profit. So based on this strategy, you can get around 8 to 12k per lot opportunity. I found this Excel sheet give us 4 to 6 time monthly trade with a good risk reward ratio. I highly recommend you can try this for trading Nifty in better way. Thank you so much for your time so far. I expect all of you are taking good care of yourself. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you.